Yo, what's going on, boys? Back with another recap today. Today was a break-even day, but I also blew 5 accounts, which I'll go over in a second. I just realized this now, by the way. So, verse of the day today is, as far as the east is from the west, so far has he removed our transgressions from us. Psalms 103:12. So today I took one trade. I took a short. It was a break-even short. I really like the setup, A+ setup, which I'll go over in a second. But remember how I was talking about the 5 Apex accounts that only had $300 of drawdown left? So yesterday I had 10 accounts. And earlier today I had 10 accounts. And I took this trade on all these accounts. Got break even on all of them. However, for some odd reason, my limit order was still set as my TP here when I got break even. So it didn't get taken out. So I guess when it shot down and hit my limit order, it bought me in, it longed me here, and then obviously the market just dumped. So 5 accounts are fucking gone, and the other 5 lost like a lot. It's just ridiculous, bro. Actually insane. Only that shit would happen to me. But yeah, man, so if we can even, get a payout on these, then I'd be shocked, because I spent, I don't know, let's do the math real quick. 25 plus 65, I'm pretty sure. Is it? Yeah, it's 65 activation. I think it might be $20 eval. Yeah. Alright, yeah, so $20, so it's $85. 85, and I bought 13. I had 13. It wasn't that much. Might have been like 12. Alright, we'll just do 10, because whatever. So I spent $850 on these 10 accounts. If I don't get my fucking $850 back, I will deadass lose my mind, because this is insane. If I don't get a pet on these accounts, I will lose my mind, because this shit is ridiculous, bro. This fucking January price action is dick and balls. I mean, everything's just going wrong, and I don't understand why, and I don't get it. I don't know why this shit's happening, but yeah, no, it's ridiculous, man. It's actually ridiculous. Some kid kept asking for my chart colors, so I'll show those real quick. So for my body, I have this. Here's the code, and then just normal black, and then gray, and then these grays, which is just this code. And then for the background, I just use this. This is my background, and then for value gaps and shit, it's just, I don't know if you want this, but I'll give it to you anyways. That. So those are my chart colors, but let's get into the trade that I actually took today and why I took it. So I was initially bearish. I wanted to see this 4-hour gap get tapped and then take a short down, which ended up happening. So at market open, we just pumped. There was zero structure here, so I wasn't able to take anything. We eventually, so this would have been a good long, this inversion here, continuation model long, taps into this 5-minute gap, rejects off, get a 1-minute inverse. Could have just taken it to this high. I don't take trades like this, but if you do, this would have been a good trade. Potentially would have got break even if you went break even at this internal high, which I probably would have. So yeah, I would have got break even and then went to TP. But after all this bullshit chop price action, 10 a.m. hits, I'm like, if we inverse this 4-hour gap, then we're going to be bullish on the day. If we don't inverse it, then I'll stay bearish. But this is just a very small 4-hour. So yeah, this happens, and here's where I end up taking my trade. So there was a 2-minute inversion. I can't go on the 2-minute time frame because I don't have premium. Oh, never mind. So I think it's because I'm in replay mode. I can, or maybe not. I don't even know. Wait, no, I can go on the 2-minute on this, I think. Just not the 30-second. So there was this 2-minute inversion, which took a while to inverse, but I still really like this trade. I'm pretty sure we got internal SMT. Maybe not. Yeah, I don't think we did. Never mind. Yeah, no, we didn't. So we just took this high. Unfilled 15 below, so this could have been, this was my break even, but this could have been TP if you guys wanted to, take TP there. But I took this inversion here. Stops just at the middle of this gap because I was not risking more than 40 points on this trade. Just targeting this pre-market low right here. We end up getting fat ass wicks, and then end up getting break even. Then we get stopped break even, and yeah, that was it. So why did I like this trade? Well, like I said, I was bearish, and so once 10 a.m. happens, if you watch this candle live, it went from extremely bullish and then just shot straight down bearish for the 4 hour to not inverse, and then the 10 a.m. candle just shot down too. So this was just like extra confirmation that, I mean, at least we'd go lower to this 15-minute. So I guess this would have been a good TP, but I wasn't too comfortable just taking a 1-to-1 here. I could have, yeah, would have been a really good setup, but I don't know, man. I gotta adapt to that 1-to-1 risk reward because I don't take that. But after that, we just started ripping. I mean, and it's really all that happened. That was it. I stopped trading after this just because I knew price would be dog shit. But like, I'm just extremely frustrated, man, about the fucking that stupid thing that what happened with those accounts. It's just so annoying. So I worked super hard for these accounts, man, and it's just so unfortunate to see them go, especially after paying all that money to activate them and buying them and just not getting anything out of it. So I really, really pray to God that I can even get out of drawdown on these accounts, bro, and, you know, turn up, start actually taking good setups. And I mean, I'm taking good setups, just market's just not been great. Start taking good setups and just doing well, you know. So we'll see what happens with that. But I mean, got super unlucky. I emailed Trade-of-8. They're probably not, or Apex. They're probably not gonna do anything for me, but I still emailed them. But that's really it for today. Unfortunate. Basically, this was a lost trade because those accounts are gone. So technically a loss, I guess, even though it wasn't. So all good. Hopefully we can bounce back. Really, I need some prayers, guys, because this shit's becoming annoying. But thank you for watching. We will see you all in the next one. Hopefully tomorrow. Trump speaking. Yeah. See what happens. But thanks for watching. See you on the next one.